An important part of Visual Studio .NET is the ability to create Windows application that runs locally on users' machines. Visual Studio .NET allows you to create the application and user interface using Windows Form. A Visual Studio Windows Form application is built around the .NET framework in a rich set of classes that allows you to program sophisticated applications. You can create Windows applications by using .NET programming languages like C#, VB, C++, and lots more. Like I said earlier in our previous videos, we have the menu. We have the menu. Let's go to our code view. You can collapse your code. You can also write. Let's minimize this code now. Because we're so far so good. We've written almost 150 lines of code, so we need to clean up our code area. So you can minimize your code. You can also set regions. For instance, if I want to set region for this code now, for region for Y control structure, I have 4 examples here. So let's get the last control structure here. You can set region for your code. That is, you use something like comment, but we call it region. That is region to set up your code. Now to do the region path, you write #region. So we're gonna give this is a while loop example, and the end region will be here. You write #end region. So you can collapse the code now and view it again. Collapse, view it again. Now beside that, if you go to your form window, form.cs, and go to design form.designer.cs, you will see generated code by Microsoft. So you don't need to get your hands dirty with all this generated code in hundreds of code. You drag to the stage, Visual Studio will automatically place the position for the label, the code behind, the tab controls. Visual Studio will automatically place it for you, so you don't need to worry yourself about the code behind. The designer, Visual Studio will do the dirty work for you by creating your code. So for instance, the more you drag, for instance, if you drag from a page from here to here, automatically Visual Studio will adjust the designer code and get it done for you. So you don't need to worry yourself about the form.designer, because it's still the same thing about it's still similar to your design view. This is the design view, but this is the code behind the design view. And the form.rss field is the form resources. So I'm going to shut down, and you can right click and view your code and see the code behind your projects. You can also use some tools like properties. Let's go to form.design and check the properties and events. You can search the type word for quick launch and lots more.